Baby grasshopper. He not scared of me. This, when it grows big, we can eat. In our language, it is called Huyo. Camouflage. Hello guys. Today I'm going to eat this peach. And start. I'm not eating that much. I'll eat very little. It's sweet. It has also got a lot of juice in it. If it's right, it turns red like this. Without cutting and peeling off this, we can also eat directly. This is it, the end of my video. Hope you like it, and you also can eat this fruit. It's yummy and little bit sour, and while you eat fruit, this might cause a little trouble, so that's why I don't eat much. I eat very limited. Very good fruit. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye. We still have a lot of mangoes. These mangoes are little later. Yummy, yummy. It looks so yum, isn't it?
Wah, ai dah muka kan? Yung. Yung 집들 가게 나나 하제 심마당 그래네.
Ay, nhâm khó.
용 집을 뭐뭐 세라다 해봐라. 나 잠만 뭐 지기나면다. 호이, 이제 죽이라. 하자 봐, 지도 나서 막 이제 한 거. 아, 와 무토 뱅.
My dad eating mango. And my sister also eating mango. In the coming video, I will show you mango eating. So be ready and watch till the end in every video, okay?